Welcome to Scribook, Chalkboard's latest tool to help you create lesson notes for your learners. Use Scribook to log notes, highlight milestones, provide overall assessment, and upload photos of your learners' output. In this video, you will learn how to create, view, and edit your Scribook entry. You can create a Scribook for your learner in several ways. Here's how. After each session, you can choose to create a Scribook lesson note or create one later. Just follow these steps. Click on Create Scribook. Enter the topic you have discussed with your learner. Fill out the rest of the fields in the Scribook form. In this form, you can specify learning objectives, identify areas for improvement, describe any milestone your learner has achieved, and other comments you might have. You can also attach learning materials or worksheets you want to share with your learners. You can attach documents, PDF files, or photos. Next, select the level that best matches your overall assessment for your learner's performance during the session. Share special moments of your session, like a screen cap of your actual class, a finished project, or a completed homework. Upload these moments so your learners and their parents can see them too. Once done, click Submit. You now have a Scribook entry for your learner. If you skip making a Scribook after your session, you may still create an entry from the Session History menu on your dashboard. Just click on the Scribook button and start creating your lesson notes. You may view a Scribook from the upcoming sessions or today's sessions tab. Under the Upcoming Sessions tab, click on the Scribook button to view your learner's Scribook library. In the Scribook library, select the Scribook lesson you want to view. Scribook opens on the right side of the screen. Now let's learn how to edit a Scribook. You can edit your Scribook entry up to 7 days after a session is completed. On your dashboard, go to the Session History menu and select the Scribook you want to edit. Click on the pencil button and proceed to editing your notes. Once done, don't forget to save the changes you made by clicking on the check button. Now here's another way to do it. Under the Today's Sessions or Upcoming Sessions tab, click the Scribook button to open the Scribook library for your learner. Choose the Scribook you want to edit and proceed with the same steps. To ensure that you regularly provide your learners and their parents updates about their learning journey, you are required to create a Scribook entry for your learner for every 3 completed sessions. You will receive a notification to remind you to accomplish your Scribook. And that's it! Now you're ready to create your Scribook entry. We'll see you at Chalkboard soon!